And on the sidelines of the ASEAN meetings, Russian Foreign Minister Sergey Lavrov has warned against what he called attempts to erode the security structure in the Asia-Pacific region. His comments come after he held talks with his Thai counterpart in Bangkok.
Эта структура формируется изначально и весьма успешно при ведущей роли АСЕАН. Мы видим сейчас предпринимаемые некоторыми странами попытки размыть эту структуру, возглавляемую асиановскими друзьями, и мы такие попытки не принимаем.
Mr. Lavrov did not specify the target of his warning, but relations between Russia and the U.S. have deteriorated in recent months, while Moscow's partnership with Beijing has strengthened.